Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install, turn on, and turn off Bluetooth on Windows 10. So, let's get started. First, let's check if your PC has Bluetooth hardware installed. Open the Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. In Device Manager, look for the Bluetooth section. If you see it listed, your PC has Bluetooth hardware. If you don't see it, your PC may not have Bluetooth, or the drivers may not be installed. If you don't see Bluetooth in Device Manager, you may need to install the Bluetooth drivers. Visit your PC manufacturer's website and download the latest Bluetooth drivers for your model. Once downloaded, install the drivers by following the on-screen instructions. To turn on Bluetooth, open the Settings app by clicking the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. In Settings, go to Devices. Then, select Bluetooth and other devices from the left-hand menu. To pair a Bluetooth device, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, and select Bluetooth. Your PC will scan for available devices. Select the device you want to pair. To turn off Bluetooth, simply toggle the switch under Bluetooth to Off. This will disconnect all connected Bluetooth devices. And that's it. Now you know how to install, turn on, and turn off Bluetooth on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.